Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a 10 tip to make your home look expensive. Keep in mind, again, I am not an expert. I'm just sharing with you guys my personal experience. If you find it helpful, great. If you don't, I'm sorry. But let's go ahead and start. I do have everything written down in front of me. That way we can kind of go over everything together. Pretty much went over all of my comments between YouTube and Instagram, and these are how I came up with the answers. Okay, so tip number one is going to be to clean. A clean house is a happy house. A clean house is a happy house. Okay, when I do my clean with me's, the number one comment that I get is, oh my god, your house is already clean, why are you cleaning? Well, that's why it's clean. I have to clean to keep it up and it doesn't get crazy. Not to say that it doesn't get crazy, because there's definitely moments where I'm like, throw the whole house away, okay? But for the most part, I do try to get up and do something or one thing in the house. That way it doesn't get crazy. And then if it do get crazy, hey Yolanda, ¿cómo está? Can you come over to help me clean today? Gracias. Call my cleaning lady, honey. Tip number two is going to be to declutter. My rule of thumb is 1 year and done. If you haven't touched it, haven't worn it, don't plan on it, you're probably not going to, just go ahead and get rid of it. This is where the Con Marie method kind of kicks in. And it's like really be in love with it. If you can see yourself putting it up in a garage sale or donating to someone, just go ahead and do it. Don't wait for it to get just crazy. Like my closet, I've been cleaning my closet out maybe like every 7 to 8 months, and now when I go shop, I really pay very close attention to what I'm picking up. So my wardrobe has turned a little bit neutral now, a lot more whites and blacks and quality pieces that I know will just kind of hold the test of time now. So that's number two. Number three is going to be accessorizing. Now, I know I'm saying this and my house isn't done, so the only area of the house that I can really share with you is probably like my office. I have that wall art on the wall that I really love. That was from Home Goods. It was only $79. The lamp right here was at Home Goods. It was online was $300, like $299, $259, and I ended up finding it at Home Goods for $129. That is a really great price for what you're getting, because it's real cement and it's real metal that's around, and the shade is super thick in this material. If you're wanting to pay less than that, Home Goods has other light options. You have Lamps Plus, you have Overstock. You can check out my video where I did affordable home decor, my 10 stores, for reference to find those stores. But accessorizing with mirrors, wall art, pillows definitely help, especially pillows. Oh gosh, y'all, pillows really do help bring a space together, and I love my pillows, y'all. I really do love my pillows. Now I know getting a downfill is pretty expensive and stuff. You guys have mentioned that to me, so you know, you can use whatever you want to use, but keep in mind that you're probably gonna deal with the pillows looking like squished and crumbled and stuff. So I think I shared this pillow with you guys last year, and look, these things are still intact, okay? And that's what I really do love about that. Number four is going to be paint. Not only paint, but getting a paint that you can clean, especially when you have kids. If the house is clean and everything looks good and your walls are dirty, then your home just end up looking dirty. I've had comments again. You guys see me here. I normally go around the walls and I clean it. I use Zeps to clean the walls, and if I see that I'm cleaning it and it's not coming clean, I have absolutely no issues about putting some plastic down and painting the walls just to give it a really nice fresh look. Just because you have kids, and I don't want to make an excuse like, oh, I have kids and I can't keep my house up as why my house looks crazy. It's definitely my responsibility to keep the house up. So that's just what I do. Again, this is very personal for each person. You do not have to follow what I'm saying to you guys. This is just, I've seen the questions and I'm pretty much answering them. Number five is going to be your rug. I love rugs, especially wool rugs. If you've seen the video where I went shopping with my client, oh my god, that room was just full of rugs. But it's not just the rug alone, it comes down to sizing. And the rule of thumb that I think most people should follow is getting a rug where at least the front of your furniture can sit on it. For that, you want to have the right amount of space in between your sofa, the coffee table, the next sofa, the chairs, and all that stuff. Now, if you have the money and you can get a rug big enough where everything can go on it, that's doable also. It just makes it look really nice. It makes the room look grand. But if you have all of your furniture and then you have this little tiny rug in the middle, it just makes everything look a little off. So definitely looking at the size, and don't be scared to go big. Most of the rugs in the house are 9 by 12. The only rug that's an 8 by 10, I believe, is the one that's under the round table. And I did that because I really wanted to salvage the hardwood floors with the kids and eating and everything like that. You can do a round rug under a round table. There's no rule saying that you can't do a square or round, whatever you want to do. But what you want to focus on doing is you want the chairs at the dining room table to be able to slide off and still be on the rug and slide back in, because then it just defeats the purpose if your guests, they're gonna slide on your hardwood floor. So making sure you focus on sizing is just really important when it comes to your rugs and, you know, runners and things of that nature in the house. Number 6, and number 6 just made me smile because I absolutely love this, and it is molding. If you guys follow my journey, then you know we did the wainscoting going up the stairs. I did the box picture frames in the dining room. I added thick 4.5-inch trim in the office, in the family room, just all around the house. I just doubled up on the trim, and it just looks so nice. It looks so grand. It's almost like, not almost, it is. It's framing your house. Just imagine if you buy, okay, let's just say you go to Michael's, right? And you get a frame and you're like, oh, this is cute. I'm gonna do a little artwork on it. And it looks great. But when you actually put that nice frame around it, it just makes it look so much more grand and just luxe. And I absolutely love it. I know trim isn't for everyone, but there's definitely types of trim that you can do. If you're farmhouse, contemporary, modern, there's different styles. I like to think that my style is more on the traditional contemporary side, so I can pretty much do whatever I want. I try to stay in the middle, you know. So yes, I love molding. I think it looks really good. It definitely added that detail and interest into our home. So I'm gonna keep on to that tip. That could be number 1 and number 2 and number 3. But yes, I love molding. Number 7 is changing out your fixtures and also your hardware. Now this can be for your kitchen. This can be for anything. Here in this house, I changed out the light fixtures. You guys seen the ones here in the master bedroom, which I so love it. And it's so crazy because the guy for Orkin came over and he was like, I like that. And I was like, thanks. And he goes, it looks really good and different. I'm like, thanks. I said, it reminds me of a ballerina, like when they're twirling. And he goes, it really does. And I'm like, right? So yeah, but I really like the lights that went into the house, and it took me a little bit of time to find the right one. So I really like it. I'm looking at the lights now and I'm like, yeah, I really like it. I also changed the hinges and the door handles, and I also changed the light switch, the plates on the light switch also. Again, these are just very personal changes. You don't have to do these things, but I just felt like with the furniture coming in, with the walls being painted, with everything that was being done, I wanted everything to be very cohesive in the space, and that just really worked out for me. I really love it. Number 8 is going to be greenery. Again, I shared the plant in one of my videos. I hope you guys got a chance to see that one so you can see it. I don't do plants, but I love flowers. I think flowers are just beautiful. They pretty much make the same impact to me as a plant would do. So I don't have a green thumb, so I stay from any sort of plants, dead or alive. But I love flowers. I think they're so beautiful, so I do flowers in our home. Number 9 is going to be color scheme. You guys already know for me that is probably going to be blue. I have it all around the house. That does not mean that you have to keep the room like I kept the house. You can create different styles. You can create different moods in each room, but having a color that kind of flows around just kind of helps. And that can be in the wall color, that can be in an accent piece, whether it's kind of like a gold or blue or silvers or the rug, whatever it is, it can just be one thing. It doesn't have to be everything. And the last one is number 10, which is going to be curb appeal. You guys, there's nothing like pulling into someone's home and it's not the best, but when you go inside, you like, bitch, hey, what? Like, so you definitely want the outside to match the inside, and even if the inside doesn't match the outside, it gives the illusion that the inside is popping, okay? So for me, I like going into Home Depot and getting those ferns. They're affordable, easy to keep up, you guys, and you can do about 10 of them all around the front of your house, your porch, the front. Get you a nice little pot from Home Goods or Home Depot and spruce up your home. But that is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my 10 tips. I will see you guys next time. If you haven't already, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. My battery is dying, so I had to talk really fast. But anyway, bye you guys.